Bark of Dog is a little interesting plugin for low-end management. And the classic mode is just a high-pass filter with a boost in the cutoff frequency. In passive mode is the pull-type trick in which you boost at the same time as you attenuate the low end, which create an asymmetrical kind of curve. And then in the combo mode it includes the high pass filter. Now, how do we use this? We inserted on the instrument in which we want to manage the low end, and then we boost all the way up so we can hear the frequency we are working with. Then we adjust the frequency until we hear a bump in volume. In this case 105 Hz, and then we turn boost all the way back and slowly start adding it until we get the amount of bass we want. Passive mode is more suitable for bass, guitar, or for full mixes, and in this case we have to use gain because it introduces a lot of it. And that's it.